I was born with a blood disorder that is called sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell, you have your moments where there's not enough oxygen to the brain or the heart, and you just don't feel well for maybe 2, 3, 4 days. I was always very sick. I mean, you're talking as a kid, I just got tired of being sick. And I started watching this black and white television, and I'm seeing Jack LaLanne jumping up and wanting to be robust and strong and excited. And I said, I want to be like Jack.
Hello, welcome back. Today, let's meet Robbie Robinson, the Black Prince of bodybuilding. With a career spanning over 4 decades, Robbie has maintained an incredible physique even into his 70s. In this video, we'll explore the foods Robbie avoids to maintain his longevity, his healthy diet, and the 7 supplements he takes daily. At the end of the video, we'll also share his weekly workout routine, his 3 life principles, and the 5 foods he avoids at all costs to stay healthy. First, let's learn more about who Robbie Robinson is. Robbie Robinson was born on May 24th, 1946 in Damascus, Georgia. Known as the Black Prince, he is a legend in the world of bodybuilding. With a career spanning over 40 years, he has won prestigious titles such as Mr. America, Mr. Universe, and Mr. World. Renowned for his perfectly balanced physique, Robinson became an iconic figure at Muscle Beach in Venice, California, where he trained alongside other bodybuilding legends.
It was a rude awakening. And we all just kind of collaborated together there. And in that process, I was introduced to Arnold and Franco and all the guys, and we started competing, training together.
Even at the age of 78, Robbie Robinson remains a symbol of longevity and dedication, inspiring generations with his unwavering commitment to fitness, nutrition, and discipline. Now let's explore the 5 foods that Robbie consistently incorporates into his diet to maintain his longevity.
Combination of all these different vegetables: carrots, green onions, celery, chicken leg meat, one of my favorites. If you take it off the bone, saute it with onions and garlic. Best tasting. Add a little cashew butter to it, makes it crunchy.
The first, salmon. Robbie loves salmon because it is a rich source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and promoting quick muscle recovery. Salmon replenishes the energy lost during workouts and prevents protein breakdown, effectively aiding muscle growth. Robbie often includes salmon in his lunch or dinner, pairing it with vegetables like broccoli and sweet potatoes.
Salmon, one of my favorite foods. If you're looking for good body fat building, muscle tissue building, losing weight, nothing's like salmon.
The second, eggs. Eggs are Robbie's favorite breakfast food, providing a rich source of protein essential for muscle recovery and growth. The amino acids in eggs repair muscles after workouts, while the healthy fats and vitamins help sustain energy throughout the day. The cholesterol in eggs also supports hormone production, aiding muscle development. The third, broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable high in protein, low in calories, and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it ideal for bodybuilders. Robbie often pairs broccoli with chicken or fish, making it a staple in his meals. The fourth, oatmeal. Oatmeal is Robbie's primary source of carbohydrates, especially for breakfast. It is a slow-digesting carb that provides sustainable energy. Robbie usually mixes oatmeal with cashew butter to add healthy fats, ensuring long-lasting energy for his high-intensity workouts. The fifth, strawberries. Strawberries are Robbie's go-to snack due to their delicious flavor and high nutritional value. They are low in sugar, rich in antioxidants, and provide a refreshing energy boost.
In my bag, I found one of the most important things to consume, as when you're preparing for a competition, is low glycemic fruits like strawberries.
Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, folate, and potassium, with a low glycemic index that does not spike blood sugar levels. Like other berries, they are packed with antioxidants, helping reduce the risk of chronic diseases and aiding in cancer and tumor prevention. Robbie loves strawberries not only for their delicious taste, but also for their incredible health benefits. Let's take a look at Robbie's diet. Breakfast. 7-8 eggs. Provide protein for muscle recovery. Oatmeal, a slow digesting carb for sustained energy. Cashew butter, healthy fats to support metabolism. 16 ounces of water ensures hydration. This protein-rich breakfast fuels Robbie's energy and prepares him for his morning workouts. Lunch, salmon, omega-3s, and protein to support muscle growth. Broccoli or other vegetables, fiber and vitamins for better digestion. Sweet potatoes, nutrient-dense carbs for long-lasting energy. This balanced lunch helps Robbie recover from his workout and provides energy for the rest of the day. Dinner, grilled chicken or salmon, lean proteins to aid muscle recovery. Vegetables, nutrient-rich for overall health and digestion. Potatoes or sweet potatoes, complex carbs to restore energy. Robbie's balanced dinner ensures his body gets the nutrients it needs to stay strong and healthy. Next, let's explore the 7 supplements Robbie uses daily.
You got the glutamine, creatine, beta-alanine. I'm missing a couple. I think you also mentioned the arginine.
My whole supplement regime consists of glutamine.
Glutamine.
The first thing in the morning I put in my first drink 5 scoops of glutamine.
Wow.
Okay. Then I go from 1 scoop of creatine. Okay. 1 scoop of L-citrulline, because you're talking testosterone building. The creatine, you're talking muscle building, strength.
Robbie Robinson supplements. 1. Creatine. Creatine forms the cornerstone of Robbie's supplement routine, enhancing high-intensity performance, supporting muscle recovery, and helping maintain strength during heavy weightlifting. 2. Glutamine. Glutamine aids Robbie in recovering quickly after workouts, improving endurance, reducing muscle soreness, and preventing injuries, especially crucial for older athletes. 3. Essential amino acids. EAAs repair and build muscles while preventing muscle breakdown by maintaining amino acid levels in the bloodstream, optimizing post-workout recovery. 4. Vitamin B complex. A B vitamin complex helps Robbie convert food into energy, sustain stamina, and ensure efficient metabolism during intense training sessions. 5. Flaxseed oil. Rich in omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9, flaxseed oil reduces inflammation, supports heart and joint health, and helps manage weight effectively. 6. Udo's oil. This oil blend provides healthy fatty acids, improving cell health, reducing inflammation, and enhancing brain and heart function. 7. Yerba mate fiber. Yerba mate supports digestion, enhances nutrient absorption, and promotes prostate health. Robbie considers it an indispensable part of his daily regimen. Next, let's dive into Robbie Robinson's weekly workout routine.
Basic exercises are definitely bench press, incline press, dumbbell flies, pullovers. You have to have the basic. If you don't do on the basic, then it's hard to develop that challenge.
Day 1. Chest workout routine. Robbie Robinson focuses on foundational free weight exercises to build and maintain a strong, well-defined chest. His chest workout includes 1. Incline dumbbell press, 4 sets of 8-10 reps. 2. Bench press, 4 sets of 8-12 reps. 3. Dumbbell flies, 4 sets of 10-12 reps. 4. Pec deck flies, 4 sets of 10-15 reps. 5. Decline push-ups, 4 sets of 15 reps. Robbie emphasizes that free weight exercises are the cornerstone of achieving a robust and balanced chest, just like the legendary physiques of Arnold, Lou, and Franco during their prime.
He's one of the best lat spreads in the business. Of course I want to train back with him.
For sure.
We did 4 movements?
They're facing 4 basic movements in the routine. They are pull-ups, close grip pull-downs, seated rows, T-bar rows. That's my favorite.
Oh yeah, and then of course he loves to finish with pull-ups to the front and back. What a finisher.
Day 2, back workout routine. Robbie Robinson relies on classic proven exercises to build and maintain a powerful back. His back workout includes 1. Pull-ups, 4 sets of 10 reps. 2. Wide grip lat pull-down, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 3. Bent over dumbbell rows, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 4. Bent over barbell rows, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 5. Dumbbell pullover, 4 sets of 8-12 reps. Robbie emphasizes that his back development is the result of time-tested, classic exercises that have proven effective across generations, rather than relying on modern machines.
It's nothing like great shoulder development. I have a variety of exercises I like to start with. Sometimes I start with upright row, which I'm going to do today, cable line, upright row. I think it's one of the best exercises to do to help bring shape, muscle delineation, separation of the muscle.
Day 3, shoulders workout routine. Robbie Robinson incorporates a mix of pressing and isolation exercises to ensure well-rounded shoulder development. His shoulder workout includes 1. Standing overhead barbell press, 4 sets of 6 to 12 reps. 2. Seated dumbbell overhead press, 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 3. Reverse pec deck flies, 4 sets of 10-15 reps. Now 4. Cable lateral raises, 4 sets of 10-15 reps. 5. Plate front raises, 10 to 20 reps with a 45 elbow bead plate, performed as a finishing exercise to fully exhaust the shoulder muscles. Robbie shares, "If I did this exercise first, it would feel too light, but it's a fantastic way to wrap up a shoulder workout, ensuring you feel its effectiveness." Day 4, rest day. After 3 intense workout days, Robbie dedicates the 4th day to complete rest, allowing his muscles to recover and his body to recharge. This recovery phase is essential for maximizing the results of subsequent workouts.
I'm going to do it like the whole workout in a tricep. And then those 3 exercises could be leg extensions, sissy squats, heavy leg press, or heavy squats. One of those 2 heavy movements. And I'll say the heavy movement for last. And I'll do 7 reps of each one of those. And it's called 21.
Day 5, leg workout routine. Robbie Robinson designs a comprehensive leg program that combines compound and isolation exercises to build strength and muscle in the lower body. 1. Superset, leg extensions and lying leg curls. 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Robbie enjoys alternating between quads and hamstrings, often performing 4-5 supersets. 2. Hack squats, 4 sets of 6-12 reps. 3. Leg press, 4 sets of 6-12 reps. 4. Dumbbell stiff leg deadlifts, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 5. Standing calf raises, 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps. This routine ensures Robbie's legs are developed evenly and maximize their strength and functionality. Day 6, arms workout routine. Robbie Robinson's arm program targets the biceps, triceps, and forearms with a focus on form and contraction. 1. Cable triceps pushdowns, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 2. Close grip bench press, 4 sets of 10 reps. 3. Bodyweight dips, 4 sets of 10 reps. 4. Seated dumbbell curls, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 5. Standing barbell curls, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 6. Easy bar preacher, curls, 4 sets of 10 reps. 7. Reverse barbell forearm, curls, 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This combination of classic exercises ensures Robbie builds and maintains powerful, well-defined arms.
One of the first things I do before I even start any kind of arm training is to pre-exhaust my forearms and my grip when it comes to actually trying to build great biceps. So I kind of pre-exhaust the forearms, which is going to force the bicep to work even harder. So I'll start off with reverse curls and basically wrist curl to start my arm routine on my own training style.
Robbie Robinson's arm workout routine. Robbie Robinson focuses on comprehensive arm development and strength with the following exercises. 1. Cable triceps pushdowns, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 2. Close grip bench press, 4 sets of 10 reps. 3. Bodyweight dips, 4 sets of 10 reps. 4. Seated dumbbell curls, 4 sets of 8-12 reps. 5. Standing barbell curls, 4 sets of 8-12 reps. 6. Easy bar preacher curls, 4 sets of 10 reps. 7. Reverse barbell forearm curls, 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Nasidi Bakunasum. Day 7, rest day. After an intense week of training, Robbie dedicates the 7th day to full recovery, allowing his muscles to heal and his energy to replenish for the upcoming week. Robbie Robinson's 3 life rules. 1. Quit smoking. Robbie made a life-changing decision to quit smoking, improving his overall health and longevity. 2. Maintain social relationships. He emphasizes the importance of staying socially active, engaging with fans, athletes, and younger generations in the bodybuilding community. 3. Stay positive. Robbie believes that a positive mindset is key to overcoming challenges and achieving long-term success. 5. Foods Robbie Robinson avoids. 1. Processed foods. Robbie avoids items like chips, candy, and fast food, which contain preservatives, additives, and artificial ingredients that lead to inflammation and weight gain. 2. Sugary foods. He cuts out sweets, sodas, and certain high-sugar fruits to prevent insulin spikes, fat storage, and energy crashes. 3. Refined carbohydrates. Robbie steers clear of white bread and pasta, opting for nutrient-dense alternatives like oatmeal and sweet potatoes for sustainable energy. 4. High-sodium meats. Processed meats like bacon and sausages are off his menu due to their high sodium and unhealthy fats. Instead, he chooses lean proteins like chicken, fish, and turkey. 5. Artificial ingredients. Robbie avoids foods with artificial colors, flavors, and chemicals, focusing instead on organic and natural options for long-term health. If you found this information helpful, please like and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching.